Have you ever wondered how almonds are actually produced? Each year, the United States produces up to 3.6 billion pounds of almonds, a staggering figure that plays a significant role in local, international, and global cuisine. But how are these almonds grown, harvested, and processed into various products? Join us as we explore the entire process in the video below. The journey of almonds from farm to consumer is not just a simple production process, but a vital link in the global agricultural industry. When spring arrives, almond orchards bloom, blanketing the landscape with white and pink blossoms and releasing a gentle fragrance that attracts bees and other pollinators. To boost fruit set, farmers place beehives near the orchards, ensuring optimal pollination for healthy growth. After the blossoms fade, young almonds form within their green husks, marking a crucial stage before harvest. The almond harvest season occurs in late summer or early autumn, marking a key period that determines the quality and yield of the crop. Thanks to the development of technology, manual harvesting methods are gradually being replaced by mechanical equipment, saving time and effort. When the almonds are ripe in late summer or early autumn, the outer shell splits open, signaling the time to harvest. At this time, a tree shaker is used to make the almonds fall to the ground, ensuring high efficiency over large areas. After falling, the almonds are left to dry naturally for a short time to reduce moisture before entering the collection stage. A sweeper will gather the almonds into neat rows, then the harvester will continue to suck them up and remove dirt, leaves, and impurities. This process not only helps speed up harvesting, but also reduces labor costs and protects the crops. Thanks to the application of modern technology, almond harvesting becomes more efficient, contributing to improving product quality and meeting global market demand. Nowadays, almond harvesters are also gradually being designed to shake and collect at the same time, helping to improve productivity. When moving between rows of trees, the machine uses a clamping and vibrating system to make the fruit fall. And at the same time, it immediately catches and transports it by conveyor belt, avoiding the seeds from contacting the ground. In addition, the machine also integrates an impurity filtering system, removing leaves and small branches before putting the almonds in the warehouse. Thanks to the application of modern technology, this device helps shorten the harvesting time, save labor, and ensure product quality, becoming the optimal solution for large-scale almond farms. After harvesting, the almonds are transported to the processing plant and undergo a closed-loop process. First, a screening system is used to remove debris, impurities, and remaining shells. Next, they are sorted by size and quality to ensure that only the best almonds make it into the process. Advanced machinery is used to remove the hard outer shell, leaving the edible kernel for consumption. Finally, workers conduct a final manual inspection to ensure absolute quality before packaging. Qualified almonds are fed into an automated packaging line. Machines build cartons, spray glue on the bottom, and fold the lids to seal. The system accurately weighs each 50-pound box. Packaged almonds are loaded onto trucks and distributed to markets around the world, to homes, bakeries, health food stores, and restaurants. To better understand the journey of almonds, we need to go back to the beginning, where almond trees are grown and cared for. Almonds grow best in Mediterranean climates, where the soil is fertile, winters are mild, and summers are hot and dry. In the United States, California is the largest almond growing region, supplying about 80% of the world's production. The almond cultivation process begins with selecting suitable varieties and rootstocks that match the local soil and climate conditions. Farmers prepare the soil by ensuring proper drainage, enhancing fertility, and checking pH levels to create an optimal growing environment. Seedlings, usually nurtured in nurseries, are planted during the dormant season to minimize transplant shock and promote stronger root development. The spacing between trees is carefully calculated to ensure adequate sunlight and airflow, fostering healthy growth, reducing pests, and boosting productivity. Since almonds are a water-intensive crop, efficient irrigation is essential. Most orchards use drip irrigation systems that deliver a steady stream of water directly to the roots of the trees. This method not only saves water, but also ensures that the trees receive a constant supply of water. During the winter, pruning plays an important role in almond tree care. Farmers remove old, diseased, or crowded branches to improve air circulation and optimize photosynthesis. In addition, pruning helps the tree distribute nutrients properly, stimulates the growth of new branches, and ensures high yields in the next crop. That's all for today's video. The journey from growing, harvesting, to processing almonds is a combination of traditional farming techniques and modern technology, contributing to improving production efficiency and product quality. If you are interested in this process, please leave your comments in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to update more useful information about the agricultural industry. Did you know that every year more than 180 million tons of tomatoes are harvested across the globe? This remarkable fruit has firmly established itself as an indispensable part of our daily lives and global culinary traditions. So how do tomatoes, beginning their journey in sun-soaked fields, pass through advanced technological processes to ultimately appear in an endless variety of dishes? Today, we invite you to join us as we delve into the fascinating journey of tomatoes in the video below. Tomatoes are an important crop in global agriculture, requiring cultivation to be carried out with careful preparation and precise calculations. In the United States, California and Florida are the two leading states in tomato production, accounting for more than 2/3 of the total fresh tomato production nationwide. This success stems from the blend of ideal climatic conditions, the dedication of skilled farmers, and modern farming techniques. When the tomato plants grow and produce 1 to 2 true leaves, they will be transferred from the nursery to the garden. This process requires care to avoid damaging young roots and is often supported by modern machinery to ensure efficiency and accuracy. Seedlings are planted at a reasonable distance, creating optimal space for growth. Moving plants at the right time helps them easily adapt to the new environment, thereby growing healthily and ensuring high productivity during the harvest period. In order for tomatoes to grow strongly, farmers need to take care of tomatoes to ensure the plants grow healthy and achieve high yields. Tomatoes need to be watered regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged, to create the best conditions for root growth. Besides, to protect plants from pests, growers need to regularly check and apply prevention measures such as using biological drugs or safe farming techniques. Pruning old leaves and unnecessary side branches also helps the tree concentrate nutrients on fruit development, ensuring quality and yield during the harvest season. When summer arrives, tomatoes ripen to perfection, transitioning from green to a vibrant red with a rich and robust flavor. Harvesting at the right time not only ensures quality but also preserves the natural taste of the tomatoes. While traditional methods rely on manual labor, modern technology has revolutionized this process. Today, in large-scale farms, automated tomato harvesters are widely used. These machines, equipped with sharp cutting blades and sophisticated conveyor systems, simultaneously cut the stems and gently transport the fruit, preserving their delicate skin. This efficient process enables farmers to harvest tons of tomatoes in a short period, significantly boosting productivity. After harvesting, tomatoes are transported to the processing plant and processed within 6 hours of picking. This process ensures tomatoes retain the same flavor, aroma, and quality as just harvested, even after 3 years of canning. Before entering the processing process, tomatoes are sampled to check ripeness, shape, and necessary chemical properties. The tomatoes will then undergo thorough washing steps to remove soil, stones, stems, and other impurities, ensuring optimal hygiene before entering the processing process. The washing process often includes the use of clean water combined with modern treatment systems such as high-pressure water jets or aerated water tanks, helping to deep clean even small crevices on tomato skins. Thanks to that, the tomatoes are not only clean but also retain their natural freshness. Once completed, they are processed through 2 optical selectors to remove unripe green or yellow fruits, ensuring consistent quality for subsequent processing steps. The process of peeling tomatoes is done in a peeling machine at a temperature of 90 degrees, combined with a vacuum chamber that helps the skin gently separate from the flesh. Then the peeled tomatoes are passed through counter-rotating rollers to completely remove the skin. Before entering the canning stage, tomatoes also undergo a final optical inspection with the Raytech Vision Revolution machine and are manually sorted by workers to ensure the highest quality. At this time, workers will also check manually, making sure no damaged fruit gets through. This process requires meticulousness and experience from seasonal workers, ensuring the highest quality of the final product. Completely peeled tomatoes are canned together with tomato sauce, which is produced in parallel in a separate line. This sauce is made from fresh tomatoes, peeled and seeded, then mashed and concentrated to perfection. Once filled, the cans are hermetically sealed with an air cap to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. After canning, the tomatoes are sterilized through different temperature stages, reaching a maximum of 90 degrees C, and then cooled with cold water jets. Tomato sauce is not only a high-quality canned product, but also a symbol of the perfect combination of tradition and modern technology, bringing a characteristic fresh flavor from ripe, carefully selected tomatoes. Carefully selected and processed with the highest quality assurance process. In addition to being used for the production of ketchup, tomatoes are widely utilized in various food processing industries, including the canning of whole tomatoes to preserve their natural freshness. This process begins with selecting high-quality tomatoes that meet the required standards, followed by thorough cleaning to ensure food safety and hygiene. After cleaning, the tomatoes are graded based on size, color, and overall quality, and are then sorted accordingly to suit different purposes and usage requirements. The tomatoes that meet the standards are then subjected to the packaging process. Once completed, the products are distributed to the market to meet consumer demands. Fresh tomatoes can be processed into a wide variety of dishes, thanks to their distinctive flavor and versatility. This not only helps preserve tomatoes for an extended period, but also provides convenience for consumers in preparing quick and nutritious meals. Currently, tomato farming has made great progress thanks to the application of modern technology. Automated grafting technology is gradually replacing manual methods, bringing greater uniformity and efficiency in production. In addition, machinery systems integrated with smart sensors have completely innovated the harvesting process, helping to accurately identify the ripeness of the fruit and process it quickly while still maintaining quality. These improvements not only help save labor costs, but also better meet market needs while promoting sustainable agricultural development. Thank you for accompanying us on our journey to explore the world of agriculture and tomato processing. Hopefully, this documentary brings a lot of useful information. If you have opinions or related experiences, don't hesitate to share them through the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to discover more interesting stories. See you in the next video.